Hey guys, Chris with Systainer USA. Let's talk about mobility. Most of you probably know the Sys-Cart. Great option, very, very versatile for simply stacking Systainers on top, wheeling around the shop, wheeling into the job site. As you can see here, I have an L footprint Systainer on here. I can also put an M directly on top of the L. I could also put the M under the L. I could also put the XXL on here. So very, very versatile mounting options. Probably the second most common thing you guys are aware of would be the Festool dust extractor. So virtually all of them are on wheels and you can mount Systainers directly on top of the dust extractor. Beyond that, there's even more options. One option would be to use something like the Sys-Roll. This only will accommodate the M footprint, but it has some distinct advantages. One advantage being that it's very easy to go over rough terrain, and also you can go up and down stairs quite easily with a stack of Systainers. Everything gets strapped in, stays nice and tight, but when you are in the, say, vertical position, it also functions as a full dolly as well. It's got 4 wheels, the front 2 casters, swivel, and so you can move around much like you would with a dolly. After that, we get into the Maxi Trapo. Super compact, made of aluminum, very lightweight. You can move Systainers with it. It's got an integrated strap for that, but you can also move cabinets, you can move other large pieces of equipment. And what's beautiful about this item is that it's very compact and can stow away very easily. The most sophisticated mobility option we have would be the mobile workshop. And so the mobile workshop, as the name would suggest, is more than just mobility. It is a mobility solution, meaning you can have Systainers transported within the cart, but you can also turn that into a full-fledged work surface on the job site that allows you to cut, sand, saw, assemble, do all kinds of different tasks while also serving as a transport mechanism for your Systainers. If you have new ideas for mobility options that you'd like to see in the future, please let us know. Check it out at systainer.store.